Brown Monday. Brown Monday. Brown Monday. Brown Monday.
Let's go. Now everybody sing that shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna shoot the 50-piece nugget challenge. We're gonna meet one of my friends, and I'm also gonna take you through my day. So it's a vlog / challenge thingy. So without any further ado, let's get started. So right now I'm going to pick up my friend, and I'll update you later. Hi guys, so Reet is here with us. It's a privilege, honestly. ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे पे करके बुलवा रही हूँ ये सब. Okay. So we're going to McDonald's right now.
Yeah, and a lot of stuff happened before. I mean, it was crazy. She wanted to order it at home only, but then she ended up putting everything in the cart, but not ordering anything at all. So we have to go there up to get it. Our order is finally here. I mean, not our order, but her order. So yeah.
You're having a chocolate shake, na?
Yeah. सिर्फ उसी से ही खुशी है लाइफ में, so ठीक है. So yeah, we finally ordered everything. It's here, and I think now she's gonna do that challenge. We have also decided to do a BFF tag with it, so that you guys don't get bored while she eats and eats and eats. And I think you should say something too, because this is your channel.
एक second ना.
She's
And
so
then-
busy now and taking all of it.
Bro,
There's so much also left inside. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. So we also have some questions prepared. Okay, Tithi, they have seen it. We also have some questions prepared for each other for the BFF tag. So yeah, let's just see how well do we know each other.
And the person who loses has to do some kind of a dare.
Yeah, which we'll decide at the end of this video. It will be spontaneous because yeah.
And interesting.
Yeah, let's hope also.
तू ही करने वाली है.
We'll see about that. We'll see. To be honest, she loves the mustard sauce more than the nuggets, I feel, sometimes. Because she is crazy for mustard sauce over McDonald's ka, and I don't know why. I mean,
You should taste it sometime, you know.
no, I've tasted it. It isn't that great. I mean, I
Please,
don't feel it's
come
very
on.
great.
It's the best thing in the world.
Yeah. You're starting. This is the first chicken nugget. She hasn't eaten anything since morning because she thought कि वरना पेट भर जाएगा and she won't be able to eat. So let's start with the BFF tag. And yeah, so I'm gonna ask her a question first, and then वो
The
पूछेगी.
same question applies for you.
Yeah. So while you eat, we're gonna do this. Okay. So I've already written a few questions my notes mein. So yeah, let's start with the first question. Where did we meet?
College.
But where did we meet?
We met in class. I was sitting alone. So I just joined the college, and I was sitting alone. Reet approached me saying, "Hi, are you interested in MU?" And I was like, "Yeah, I mean."
Sure. I mean, she was very confused. There's this new girl who just came up to me and she's like, "Are you interested in doing an MUN?" But yeah. So I saw her and I was like, yeah, new girl, ऐसे उसको थोड़ा सा homely environment मिलना चाहिए. So that's how our friendship started, and then it grew, and then it grew and grew and grew. So yeah. And I think even I answered this. So what are my top 3 TV shows?
Friends, Vampire Diaries, Emily in Paris.
Yeah, I think it's the first one is Friends, obviously. Second is Suits. But you're watching Suits and you're liking
So,
it.
एक second. I have watched like 100 series, but वो मेरी favorite कौन सी? Favorite 3.
Brooklyn Nine-Nine?
No.
Yeah! You told me!
I have watched
Brooklyn
these series.
Nine-Nine? No,
I've
but
watched these
you also
series.
liked them.
Nahin.
You've told
So,
me
yeah,
the
I
other day that watch
I
Brooklyn
watched
Nine-Nine,
these
it's nice.
series and I like them, but I like a lot of series. तो ये मेरे top 3 में नहीं आती है.
So this is your problem. You like a lot of series, so I know 3
You
of them.
know the name of these series, and I've told you कि
So she watches like so many TV shows. Like, how will I remember कि which one do you like more? I mean, ठीक है, she watched Brooklyn Nine-Nine and एक और कौन सा था? Big Bang Theory. So she was like कि I like both of them. अब how can I pick कि कौन सा you like
Okay.
better?
if you answer 2 correct, I'm gonna give you a point.
I think you answered. Okay, so Brooklyn Nine-Nine नहीं है. Big Bang Theory, How I Met Your Mother. Yes, yes, I know.
She's answered 3 now.
What is my favorite food? My favorite food was you tell and I'm gonna
Dosa.
tell. Yeah, and the 2 favorites.
Maggie.
Yeah, I'm gonna name like there are 100 favorites. Like Tithi likes everything. Like she can eat everything, and she likes everything. ऐसा नहीं है कि she can eat it. She likes also. So I think chicken nuggets first. So obviously, and McDonald's का तो you eat this only. You like McDonald's a lot. So McDonald's का you're a big fan. And you like pizza because you've ordered Domino's like a lot of times yesterday. Also you were like कि
Items पता नहीं ना.
पिज्जा, छोले भटूरे, छोले टिक्का, छोले रोटी, वड़ा chicken nuggets and chicken nuggets बोल रही थी. Chicken nuggets. So you
This is
need,
my last nugget. मतलब 10 हो गए हैं फिर.
but okay, so 10 हो गए. So the count is 10. The next box of chicken nuggets.
So Rita has gone to take Maggie because she was feeling very hungry and left out. So she went and got Maggie.
Back with the Maggie and French fries. So the next question is what was my school name?
Reet.
My school's name.
अच्छा, which school did you go?
हाँ,
in?
which school did I go?
Shish Kunj International School,
Correct.
Indore.
And you went to Sindhya. Yeah, you went to Sindhya because I've heard a lot of stories about Sindhya, so I just know that.
Said, well, that's why she lost the election. She just doesn't get it. She's never gotten it.
मैंने Little Angels में ज़्यादा memories बनाए हैं.
Little Angels. You weren't in Symbiosis from the start.
College नहीं पूछा था Reet.
हाँ, but I know the school also. Okay, fine.
You lose a point.
Okay, fine. Okay, if I could travel anywhere, where would it be? Anywhere in the world.
New York,
Hmm.
Paris,
No.
New York.
Hmm.
क्या? What are you doing these sounds यार?
That's just I've told you this. I want to go there and all of it.
नहीं तो बस मुझे इतना पता था कि आशी ने उधर vlog बनाया था and stuff.
Yeah, but then
Doesn't count.
it does. No, you are wrong. It's a half a point तो मिल सकता है, but then ठीक है. And you want to go to Singapore, like wherever there is amazing food, Tithi can go there because Tithi will go to any place just for its food. She doesn't care about the locations or the beauty or the culture or blah blah blah. Do I believe in life after death?
What is that?
This is the question. Do I believe in life after death?
Yes, you do.
And no, you don't.
Yes, I don't.
Okay, that's a very good question. Okay, do I believe in ghosts? This is such a good question, yeah.
This was the worst question. क्या है ये?
Do I believe in ghosts? Do
You do. No, you don't.
decide?
No, you don't.
I do believe in ghosts. I mean, how can you not know? I mean, I'm a sucker for horror movies and I'm like, yeah, and I believe all of this is true. I believe that ghosts are real, spirits are real, that there are good spirits, there are bad spirits, and the place is haunted. I believe all of it.
Okay. I am on my 23rd nugget.
I don't think you'll be able to finish 50.
23 तो हो ही गए and I'm still hungry.
You hungry? Doesn't look like it कि you're gonna be able to finish all of it.
Let's see.
We'll see about that. But yeah. And I think you don't believe in ghosts. I know you don't know. Then what's our favorite movie to watch together? Like we've decided this.
We've decided. Bridesmaid. After we collided tha.
Bride was. We've decided all of these flicks to watch. Even Mean Girls type movies. ऐसे मतलब
मैं बचपन में देखी थी वो.
क्योंकि मैंने नहीं देखी है. So people like कि मैंने नहीं देखी है, इसने देखी है, तो she was like watch it, we'll watch it together. Because I think अपने WhatsApp पे there's this chat also कि you've sent me a list of names कि we'll watch it together, है ना? If you
50
remember.
movies to watch वाली list
Yeah,
बन
yeah,
गई
yeah. So the next question is, what is my birthplace? Like where was I born?
Indore.
No, I've told you. But you were born in Gwalior,
हाँ.
right? Yeah.
You were
She's
born.
told a lot of times that she has lived in Gwalior for like 17 years. And then she shifted to Bangalore and then she came to Indore. and
Last
now
video
she's
में बोला
gonna-
था समझ में आ रहा है कि
Yeah.
उन्होंने last video देखा है.
So, yeah.
You were born. You weren't born in Indore.
No.
Where
Acha, I'll give you a hint.
Hmm.
I was born in Gujarat. Like where?
Ahmedabad.
No. Okay, so now the hint is over. I was born in Vadodara.
I could have never guessed that.
But I told you this. So, if you could have one superpower, what would it be? I mean, if I could have one superpower, what would it be?
You would want to read people's minds.
Yeah, and you would want to be invisible so that you can eat everything that is available.
How do you know that? I
I
don't know
know.
how she knows that.
But yeah. How many places have you lived?
You have lived at 2 places, Vadodara and Indore.
Yeah, and you've lived at 3 places. You've switched studies. So first Gwalior, second Bangalore, and third Indore.
Very exact.
And what is the one social media app that I use the most?
Instagram.
No, it's Snapchat. But
You
okay.
cannot scroll in Snapchat for like
But I
hours.
use Snapchat more. I don't use Instagram much.
You just scroll Instagram and तुझे time का पता नहीं पड़ता.
No. I use Snapchat more than Instagram. I told you that I use Snapchat more than Instagram. And you use Instagram more. Yeah.
मेरा 2 hours 30 minutes या 3 hours तो हो गई अभी तक.
Yeah, obviously. What is the one thing that you always carry with you? Like, what is the one thing that I always carry with me?
Phone.
Yeah. And you also carry your phone everywhere. You also carry lipstick everywhere. Second last box. I mean, yeah, she's eaten a lot of chicken nuggets. I never thought that she would be able to, but yeah. Only 2 are left, isme, but there's this also.
Last
another
box.
Okay, so what is my zodiac sign?
Sagittarius. We are born in the same.
Oh yeah, right. Okay, so who is my favorite celebrity? Like my celebrity crush. Right now, because they keep on changing, I know. So right now, who's it?
Siddharth Malhotra.
Yeah, Bollywood celebrity and Hollywood celebrity. Do you know any? Because okay, you should know.
Jennifer Aniston.
No, male celebrity. Celebrity crush. You should know this.
Is it Chandler?
No.
Matthew Perry.
No, Chandler is Matthew.
Matt LeBlanc. Wo.
Yes, you're close.
I did not even say anything.
What?
Chuck Bass.
No. Give me back my phone. No, you don't
Grace
know.
Crawford.
No. Grace Crawford is Chuck Bass. No.
He's
Sorry.
Nate.
He's Nate. Chuck Bass is Ed West. Right. West.
Ed Westwick.
It's Stephen Paul Wesley. How can
Oh,
you not
shit.
know this? Well, okay, I think
Okay,
I know
yeah.
yours. So it is. नाम क्या था उसका? Is it Chandler? No. You find Chuck hot. You also find Damon hot, yeah?
What is his name?
Ian Somerhalder. Obviously. So yeah, and Bollywood celebrity. I don't know Bollywood celebrity. You like Bollywood celebrities? I don't even think she
I
watches
mean,
a
yeah,
lot of
Hrithik
Bollywood.
Roshan, but yeah, nothing major.
You don't have a crush. Right?
Not crush.
ठीक है. What is the one unpopular opinion you have? Like a one person you think is overrated. The one person in the Bollywood industry or in the Hollywood industry you think is overrated. I mean, I think is overrated. Do you know that?
You think Salman Khan is overrated?
Yeah. कौन था वो? जो Peaky Blinders का main lead है.
नहीं, I love him.
Actually,
He is
don't
Thomas Shelby.
Yeah.
I love Thomas Shelby. No.
So you don't think he's overrated?
No.
Oh my God, no! I love Shah Rukh Khan. No.
There's this one more guy, na, but
That's fine. अच्छा, is he a recent actor?
no.
पुराने टाइम का है.
अभी भी चलता है but
सलमान खान.
both Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan are very overrated according to me.
Not a songwriter or a singer or a who's my favorite artist. As in
Bollywood, Hollywood.
Bollywood or Hollywood.
Acha. Okay, there's this guy you told me about.
Yeah.
Not Darshan Rawal.
No, he's kind of cute though.
He's kind of cute, but you did tell me about
2,000 years later.
like Tanzeel Khan.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, where do you live? And I know yours.
मेरा
It's
favorite
Drake.
artist कौन बताएगा?
Drake. So we have finally reached the last box, and I guess my questions are over. So we can calculate. We'll calculate after this, she finishes this box.
Or if I could actually even finish it or not.
Yeah, this is something we
'Cause
are
I'm
so
full right now.
ready to see.
So we are back, and this is the box.
Okay, fine. I never thought that she'll be able to finish all of it, but then she did. Fine, you proved me wrong. So yeah, but 50 nuggets is a lot of food, I think, for one person. I don't know how you managed it, but I could to never. And you know what? I ordered everything's like left. French fries are left. Maggie is left. Everything's left, and Kritika chicken nuggets are all over.